because man no lie, tensions in my body, tensions in my body, like facing the judge and this thing. Hello, my lady. Nice to meet you, and my judge is a female. My lady, the defendant they want you. No agree. No she the defendant they want you. My lady, if you see waiting the defendant do me. You see the defendant people. If my lady says speaking, my lady that this speech makes sense die. Ma talking like this so that me understand. If it is the defendant that is looking for a defy will reappear. Get there depending on what the defendant say. If the defendant say, my lady, strike her this thing out. I say, coming from somebody, this is not good to say somebody is a criminal. But in my mind, I say, you criminal like you. You that you went to the back to go and change court document. You should be talking. Like that. So it's just like respect. Objection, my lady. My lady, I actually object to that. I respectfully submit to this high court that the defendant counsel and his defendant, they are trying to mislead the court, and which is a violation of section 53A of Legal Practitioner Act and section 104, 108 of the Penal Code Act of chapter 7 of chapter 8 of this one of this. Not trying me. But so far, like I said, the people, the locals here, the people from this country, they're actually very hospitable, naturally. So I feel like I know judges are trained to be neutral. So at least my first time, my lady, I'm just a medical student. I'm not a lawyer. Even this one's why I don't try. My lady, me, I tried. I'm just anxious. A lot of anxiety in me. And in everything, I'm still God away. So guys, it's me again, and this is few days to my hearing. For the past week, I've been having a lot of, how did it look this thing? I'm coming. Okay. For the past, I'm coming, guys. It's been a while. Short videos have been doing this thing. You guys notice this is actually same outfits that I actually used when I'm going outside. I like to look simple because most times when I'm in courts, right, she's just a student. I guess know I am an older student, but I just have this mustache thing. So I just like to look simple because if I wore same wig that I wore initially to make the first video to cut, you already know the deal. So that's one of those things that I wrote in my book, how to appear, right? So in as much as I've really gone through a lot, the school have suffered me, right? But I still try to look like human being. But I still don't try, I don't look flamboyant that they'll start doubting, are you really sure you went through a lot? But for the fact that I went through a lot does not mean that I have to be looking like somebody that is smelly. I still have to look good. Hello. Anyways, my hearing is in few days time. It's not even few days. Today is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I have just Monday. That's my first hearing. So I went to court to file the affidavit of service, and so I filed a search parasipe, like to search the file to confirm their signature and all of that. And if you've been following my book or this, I don't know when you guys will see this video, right? As usual, they say they can't find my file. They always don't find my file. But then if it is the defendant that is looking for it, the file will reappear. No wala. So I was here in the court. I saw a lawyer that had hearing like 11, 12, and luckily it's same judge that will be presiding over his matter. So I just heard him on his phone call and I approached him. I said, hello, hope you are not angry. I heard when you were talking and I hope this is not like breach of your confidentiality. Just I was like, no. Like, so I told him that what actually attracted me to him, not like a romantic way. Like what caught my attention was because he mentioned the name of my judge and it was same judge. So I really wanted to know. I have my hearing next week. I am so anxious. It's my first time in court. the court rules, all of these things. And it was really receptive, sharp. At first, when I wanted to approach, I was like, hey, this lawyer will just like this, that they will charge person. So the thing is, in as much as I did make my research, how to appear or anything like that, me, I just did cruise till they speak with lawyers. But when it gets to come and pay consultation for me, I would pay. Because there's nothing new you want to tell me. This is not to like relegate lawyers' work, but for me to have gotten to this point, I've already put in a lot of work. So I just wanted to know if there's any extra information that I can tell me, and I really wanted to know more about the judge and this thing like that. But as we were talking, that was when they called him like should come for his hearing. Then he went. So me, I'm just anxious. In fact, for the full week, I don't even have appetite to cook. So I've just been eating out. I've been anxious. I've been preparing. I've been praying. I've been everything. Anxiety for my body. Like this. So that's why I thought to make this video. So you guys know, like in real times, how the first court hearing. So even the lawyer was like, even in his first appearance, it felt that way. And also I noticed one thing, like anytime I want to serve the lawyer, the lawyer is HOD, head of department. Anytime I want to give a document, I don't know, my hands will be shaking. I'm like, but I know she might be feeling like I'm scared of her. But it's not saying that document were fine. I just finished you there, right? So I don't know. Then I tried to read more online. So then I see maybe it's because of what I've actually gone through. So anytime I'm in that environment, my body just enter defense mode. Something like that. Yeah. As anyhow. So from what I actually found out, so they actually say for high court, right? They go through whatever you've typed. So the hearing is just like, it doesn't really take long. Just like if you have extra information, you don't have to repeat everything that you said. Like that. So it's just going to be answering your question. Now we get there, depending on what the defendant say. If the defendant say, my lady, strike her this thing out. I say, coming from somebody, it's not good to say somebody is a criminal. But in my mind, I was like, you criminal like you. You that you went to the back to go and change court document. You should be talking. Like that. So it's just like response. Objection, my lady. My lady, I actually object to that. I respectfully submit to this high court that the defendant counsel and his defendant, they are trying to mislead the cause, and which is a violation of section 53 of Legal Practitioner Act and section 104, 108 of the Penal Code Act of chapter 7 of chapter 8 of this one of this. Don't try me. So this is just me sharing my video that guys, I'm anxious. I am. I feel like I'm good at defending myself with paper. I'm anxious. I don't know how to go, but I'll keep you guys posted. I want to go and iron my suit, and maybe I'll make a video to show you guys how I'm preparing for my first oral submission, hopefully. And for things that I've actually found someone to strike out the defendant's claims. I don't even know if that date is still going to hold or not. I don't know. Pray for me, guys. Wish me luck. And anyways, that brings us to the end of today's video. I think, should I show you guys my outfit in this video or the next one? Maybe. Let's see, it's nice. And so luckily for me, I actually have a black suit, so I plan to wear black suits with an inner. Don't worry, you guys will see the video in my next video, because I actually just got them for cuts now, and me making this video kind of made me feel relieved of that stress. So I feel like maybe before my hearing, I'll try to shoot many videos. So because man, no lie, tension in my body, like facing the judge and this thing. Hello, my lady. Nice to meet you, and my judge is a female. My lady, the defendant the one you no agree, the defendant the one. My lady, if it's waiting the defendant do me. You see the defendant people. If my lady says speaking, my lady that this speech makes sense. I'm talking like this so that me understand. I don't know, but so far, like I said, the people, the locals here, the people from this country, they're actually very hospitable naturally. So I feel like I know judges are trained to be neutral. So at least my first time, my lady, I'm just a medical student. I'm not a lawyer. Even this one, so I don't try. My lady, me, I tried. I'm just anxious. A lot of anxiety in me. And everything, I'm still God abeg, God abeg, God abeg, God abeg. Anyways, this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. And of course, I'll keep you guys posted, updated, how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys. I made this like say it. Bye for now, Joe.